Welcome to the Dr. Mo Show. I make videos on how you can help yourself with health and lifestyle issues. Today, I've got a gentleman who is a research chemist. He's been working from home lately and he's woken up with some neck pain. You will see what might happen in one of my treatments, and I will also give some sleep position advice at the end.
My name is Francesco and I'm a research chemist. I've been suffering of back and neck pain since I was a teenager, and as my job often requires me to work on the bench or at the computer, my pain really doesn't help my productivity.
So when I was a teenager, many times, I had the back part of my bed, like it was something with wood.
Okay.
And I used to, even if I used to put my pillow on top of that, if I would be like 1 hour or 2 hours after that, I would develop here like pain, and then I would develop also headache. 3 or 4 days, so we got our TV, 3 or 4 days ago I was on the sofa, so my head is slightly tilted to the left, and even though my head was on the sofa, I developed the same kind of pain here.
Vale.
So during the day I said, okay, hopefully it's gonna be gone by tomorrow. But then I woke up the day after, probably I wasn't sleeping well. I have like 5 pillows and I still haven't found the right one, by the way. So I have a pain that goes from here to here, more or less.
Only on the left side?
Yes. But the problem is that I am also developing a headache, which is not super painful, but it's quite constant. If I put this part of my head on something that isn't extremely soft, then it causes me quite a lot of pain.
So what I can see is your posture over
the
worse. So just rounding a little more.
Yeah, also I spend a fortune on external monitors to work from home. I have about 2 external monitors, just because I was having my laptop here, and even though the main monitor was here, sometimes I was going to look at the monitor of the laptop, and this is terrible. Every time I look at it for a few minutes, I can understand that my head is...
Okay. Look over your right shoulder as far as you can go. Any pain?
No.
And the other way?
Yes. Towards the end, yes.
And bend your heads, come back to the middle, bend your head sideways. Left side again.
Yes.
And the other way?
Not that bad.
Okay. Look down.
I can feel it on the left side.
Turn your head to the left. Lift your left shoulder backwards. Relax. Shrug both shoulders. And relax. Head down in the middle.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Move the shoulder up and down.
It is horrible.
Keep moving this back to the ceiling.
Okay.
Down. Inspira. Expira. Inspira. Expira.
Actually, it makes a difference because about our...
That's good. You can get up.
Thank you.
Okay. Move to the right. Move to the left.
Better.
Good. Yeah? Better?
Better.
Look down.
So this was painful before.
Good. Just move your shoulders. Tell me how it feels.
Better.
Fantastic. So carry on with the next stretches from the same video, and you should continue to feel better. The rest of your spine looks quite good.
Yeah, no, actually, I think that wearing those shoes inside the house, I think it's doing great. It's unbelievable how those things change the quality of my life.
Yeah.
So at the same time, when I started coming to you fixed my problem, and then I went to the bottom of the problem with the shoe. Before I used to have so many problems.
Yeah.
My neck pain often causes migraines, which deeply affect my sleep quality. And all of this has been worsening since I started working from home recently. Luckily though, my conditions have steadily improved since I met Dr. Mo and he started treating me. Moreover, his exercises help coadjuvate the therapy and keeping my posture straight and correct. I'm extremely thankful to Dr. Mo for helping me with my sleep, quality of life and productivity.
Generally, it's not a good idea to have more than one pillow. If you're a back sleeper, then all you need is a thin pillow so your head is not being pushed forward. If you're a side sleeper, then your head should be in line with the rest of the spine. So say if you're sleeping on the right side, your head shouldn't drop so much because of a thin pillow, or it shouldn't be lifted up the other way because of a thick pillow. For more neck pain advice and stretches, please watch this video and I'll see you on the next video.